Are you all familiar with this game?
Yes.
Yeah. There are two teams. Each team has numbers, right? Each team member has a number, and once the number is called, they run towards the object, and the first one who picks up the object wins. Right? That's the original game. What we are going to do today is I will call out your number, you will run. The first one to pick up any object from here gets to start the scene. Okay? Gets to start the scene. So for example, my number was called and I came here and I picked up say this object. I ran and I came and I picked up this object. Now I am going to change this object into something else, something that it is not. Yeah? Okay? So I will say, what is it? A mouth organ. It's a mouth organ. Yeah? And I establish it and I say a line. So I use it as a mouth organ and I say a line. Hey man, play your drums. So the person who ran with me has to start playing the drums. Yeah man, okay. Okay, so can I have a volunteer? Can you come and be my partner? Yes? Okay. And I'm doing. Hey man, play your drums. And make some sound. And we look like a band. Yes, okay. So thank you so much for that, okay. I'm going to show you one more example. Yeah, so for example, again, my name is called and we ran, then we run, okay. We ran, come on, let's run. We ran, and I picked up an object, okay. And I get to start the scene because I picked up the object first. So I can turn it into anything else and start the scene. The second person has to accept the scene and also become a character. So I become a character. Passport. Give me your passport. There you go. Yeah? So what are we? Who's I? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. A custom officer, right? And I'm giving Devi, a stamp for her to travel to different places. She's a passenger. And she did a great job. She's like, yes, take it please. And then she said, thank you also. Lovely. Just we have to remember to be louder. Yes? So, are you all ready to play this game? Yes? So I'm going to give you all numbers. You are 1, both of you. You are 2. Yes? You both are 3. You both are 4. And you both are 5. Okay. And let's have a trial round. Okay? Let's have a trial round. And number. Relax. Number 1. Okay, she got it first. So you're going to use that. You pick any object. Yeah. You pick this one. Now you're going to come here and use it as what it is not. Also remember you're becoming a different character, saying a line, and then you will be part of the scene. Yes? Okay, let's see.
How much is this for?
This is for 50 rupees. How much is this? More than 4. Can you think of making it into another, like maybe you're not buying, using the object or something else? Think of another way that you can use it. Maybe